Hi, if you want to adjust exposure on the iPhone 16, then open camera and here select the photo mode. After that, you need to tap on this arrow on the upper panel and scroll a bit to see this icon with plus and minus, and this is for the exposure, so simply select it. And now it is set up for 0, which is a middle default value, and if you want to reduce exposure, you need to swipe right, so the maximum value is -2 here. If you want to add brightness, you need to swipe left and the maximum is +2. Let me just lift my phone a bit to show you the difference. So this is +2, this is -2. Now when you're ready to take a picture, you just need to press the camera shutter button. And also you can close this tab, but this exposure setting will be locked and you'll see it on your upper panel. Right here you can see your exposure value. So we can set it now for +2, take a photo as we did before, and these settings will also be locked if we close this tab. And yes, here it is on the left side on their upper panel. So that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.